Hey everyone, it's Rare Orion, and today we're doing a rare reviews on the Teavil Steep the Rainbow Tea Collection set. Teavil sent me their Steep the Rainbow collection, and I posted the unboxing video, so please go check that out. But now it's all unboxed, and I get to try them. All right, there's 6 different teas, 6 different colors, each with their own ingredients, caffeine level, and benefits. What we're going to do is we're going to try them hot, and then we're going to break down what's in them, what that means scientifically, how they taste, and most importantly, where you can get you some. I'm so excited. Let's jump right in. All right, first we've got the red blend. I'm so excited. That's deep, earthy, floral, has like a natural sweetness to it. It's cozy but smart. All right, we've got some rooibos and honeybush in here. Both are caffeine-free and packed with what we call polyphenols, which are antioxidants that help your cells clean up microscopic stress junk. Next, we got beetroot, which gives it that rich color, but it also boosts nitric oxide, which helps relax your blood vessels and gives you better circulation. All right, so then we got cinnamon and licorice. Those are both good for balancing blood sugar and digestion. Then we got valerian root and passion fruit. Both of those work on your GABA receptors to quiet racing thoughts. Last but not least, we have organic red rose petals, which are not only serotonin for the eyes, but they calm the gut, the mood, and the nervous system. All right, so go to the red blend if you're not only looking for caffeine-free, but you also want other things to aid in relaxing. All right, now we're moving on to the orange blend. First we sip. This one is bright and a little spicy, citrusy. It's like warmth with focus. The orange one has the most amount of caffeine out of any of them in the rainbow blend. The very first ingredient in here is organic orange pekoe black tea, which orange pekoe is not a color, but it's a grade of black tea, and it's a very high grade of black tea. And it's not only got caffeine, but L-theanine in it, so it's going to give you stimulation plus a smooth focus. All right, then next I see that we have some ginger and turmeric. Both of those are packed with gingerols and curcumin, which are classic anti-inflammatories. Not only do we have that L-theanine in here in the black tea, cinnamon in here also steadies glucose for even energy across the board. So there's multiple things in here for chill, even though it's energizing. Okay, and then organic dried orange peel. The orange peel not only ties in with vitamin C, but it also has limonene in it, which is good for mood and dopamine support. And then you've got some volatile citrus oils in there like linalool and citral, which actually calm down your nervous system and ease tension. All in all, I would say that the orange blend is definitely not like a nighttime tea. It's a good daytime blend. I could see getting things done still, with that energy, but with the L-theanine and the cinnamon and things like that, you're not going to have spikes, you're not going to have crashes. It's just going to be really nice. On to the yellow. First we sip. That is super smooth. It's like citrusy, but it feels like a really early morning before everybody wakes up. All right, so the first ingredient here is organic oolong tea, which is somewhere in between black tea and white tea when it comes to caffeine. Got dried lemon peel in here, which brings vitamin C and enzymes that support collagen and immunity. Then we round it out with organic lemongrass and organic lemon verbena, which are both calming to your system. They're both antimicrobial and they help aid in digestion. So again, a strong contender for the highest caffeine, but also lots of things in here that make it really chill. I'd have to say that this lemon one is definitely in the morning time, and then by the time I need like a little bit, before afternoon pickup, I'm gonna pick up that orange. All right, now we're on to the green blend. Woo-hoo. First we sip. Okay, this is really earthy. It's like crisp. There's a lot of clarity that was in that like yellow one. This one has minty, but it's like really grounded. All right, first ingredient in here is sencha green tea, which fuels catagens and ECGs, improving energy use and cell defense. All right, now I'm seeing some organic lemon balm and organic spearmint leaves. Both of those add terpenes like menthol or citral, which both nudge your body into a rest or digest type of calm. So again, 3 out of 5 stars for caffeine, but very calming. I love how the spearmint is not overpowering, but it is definitely there. All right, Teavil, somebody over there is a scientist. They're using organic chrysanthemum flowers, and chrysanthemums add apigens for neural relaxation. And then you also have the butterfly pea, which brings what we call anthocyanins for brain protection. So although it's uplifting, you're still got like a neural calm and a neural protection going on. I see you adding saffron. This feels like a rich tea to me. And now that I know this has saffron in it, I gotta put my pinky up. I'd say because saffron is used in such small amounts, it has the most subtle benefits, but the benefits are known to be serotonin and dopamine balancers. So you get that, again, quiet uplift. All right, now the blue blend, it's so pretty. Let's sip it first. I immediately get like a floral, but it's also like a natural fruitiness. That must be the dried blueberries. I like this. All right, and here they have Himalayan white tea that keeps up with those polyphenols and that L-theanine that we learned about earlier, producing a relaxed alertness. So butterfly pea flower is used in here as well. It's what gives it that beautiful blue tone, but it also is packed in anthocyanins that protect not only your brain cells, but your eye cells as well. Okay, seeing a couple dried fruits here. We got the orange peel again, which brings limonene for supporting the mood and digestion. You have organic dried papaya, which has papain in it, which helps aid protein breakdown. You have lemon, verbena, and tulsi, or what we call holy basil in here. Those both stabilize cortisol, calming your stress hormones. Plus the organic Madagascar vanilla bean, that is going to soothe your limbic system, while the cornflower just is really going to round out the antioxidants and also add in some blue hue. Blue hue, blue hue, blue. I don't know why that sounds fun. So this has a 2 out of 5 on the caffeine level, and I'm going to say it's a really nice neural balance, smooth digestion, calm, and last but not least, the purple blend. It's so pretty. Let's sip. That is floral. I taste the lavender a lot. It's tart. It all grounds together. Also, this one's a 1 out of 5 on the caffeine scale, so not that energizing, but it's still going to give it to you. All right, the very first ingredient is organic Kenyan purple tea. That has those anthocyanins in it like we saw in the butterfly pea, and those are antioxidants that not only protect your brain and your eye cells, but also your skin cells too. I definitely taste the chamomile. It is high in apigens and it binds to our GABA receptors, so it's like a really chill calm. Come on, rose hips. It's got a lot of vitamin C and what we call flavonoids that reinforce collagen and immunity. The dried blueberries are going to double the polyphenols, defending neural tissue from what we call oxidative stress. It's really just stress on your cells from doing work. That's where that tart comes in, hibiscus. While hibiscus balances what we call vascular tone, the lavender and butterfly pea are going to bring what we call linalool and terpineol. They're just fun-sounding terpenes that ease overstimulation, and they also support sensory regulation. This purple tea is not just relaxing, that's restorative. I can't get enough of this one. The purple's my favorite. I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Quick transparency before I tell you how to get these teas yourself. Teavil did send me these teas as a gift, but I am not an affiliate marketer. I do not get a commission if you buy, but you can check out the link in my bio. Teavil is an Etsy shop. I hope that you'll get you some. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will engage from the bottom up. I would like a like. I'd love a follow. Please give me that share. Go follow the link, steep the rainbow, and as always, stay rare.